And this is the final result. Hope you guys enjoy and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a winter game in Scratch. In this game, we are going to be making Santa Claus dancing like this. He'll give us a little speech about how he loves winter and wishes us all a Merry Christmas. So let's get started. The first thing to make this game is, let's just have a little preview first. So over here, when you click the green flag, I'll just click that. It says hello before I start dancing, wish you all a Merry Christmas. So I'll just hello before I start dancing, wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll play some music right over here, and actually you can't hear it, I'll just turn it on. And one more thing you see over here, that Santa Claus is actually dancing. This is actually a gift that I've downloaded. And if you want to hear the song that I put in the game, the link will be above over here in the icon or in the description. So all the sprites would be given in the link in the description below. By clicking it, simply click remix on your right hand corner, and that's it. Now that I've remixed this, you can go to costumes and see all of the costumes over here. And the costume tab is present over here. Okay, now you can see all of these costumes, and they actually change to form a loop, kind of a forever loop. And it's kind of like a GIF. It goes again and again in a loop. So yeah, like he's constantly dancing. So yeah, now what you can do, you can go and grab out a when green flag clicked from over here and take out the say hello block. Now you can take out one more, and we can change this one, but right after I show you guys how to find this block. First, go to the motion section, and right under it would be a look section colored in purple, and over here, and click it. Then you'll find all the blocks. So we're only going to be using 2 of these blocks. So it's say hello for 2 seconds and say for 2 seconds. So what's the difference between this? The is actually going to go in an air bubble instead of a little speech bubble. So I'm going to say, you can type anything you want. I'm going to type before I start dancing. I'm going to type like some dots over here. And you can type anything after that. So I'll just do that. So I'm done with that. I'm going to just zoom in and show you a quick thing, all the things I have done over here. So yeah. So actually in this code, we don't have to use any waiting blocks because we just have the wait in the end. So yeah, you can write anything you want, or you can just copy this code. So let's go. So that's about it. We'll just get a forever loop and put a next costume, which is also in the look section. You just have to scroll down a bit, not too down, and just get it. Now go to your sounds and make sure you remix mine. The remix link will be in the description as always, and just go to your right hand corner and click remix. So I'm gonna go to the sounds and get it out. And in this case, it's actually a message 1. So I'm gonna put it over there and click a green flag. Oh yeah, there's something wrong. Sorry. Actually, I had to put this before, before the green flag. So I'll just put that there. So yeah, make sure you're using the start sound block, and yeah, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed. Meet you in the next video.